Okay, so just going over my trade of the week from last week, and once again it was on pound dollar. So coming over the weekend, we see Sunday opening up here in this region, and I was actually invited out to dinner on Monday night, but this area here was actually Monday morning for the UK. And so I was actually expecting price to jump up like this and then collapse. And I was a bit torn because I was invited to see some long-term friends, which I hadn't seen for a long time. And but I wanted to be at my computer to actually get this here and then this big drop. And so while we're having dinner, I managed to very subtly check my phone and managed to execute a couple of orders right up in this region here and managed to get this whole drop, which was really cool. Now I scalped most of the Sunday session up and down and actually did really well. So let's have a look and see what results we got there. So here's my deal map. So as you can see, a lot of scalping in and out, in and out. One test which was taken out, and then you can see that I sold right at the top here at one spot 3104, which was about 9 pips from the top, and held it all the way to the bottom, and we got 73 pips. So I actually opened up 3 positions right up the top here and held it almost to the bottom. So 3 times 76 pips, and then tried one long position. I believed it was going to turn around, and as you can see, I took a long position and I just got stopped out. So possibly my stop was a little bit tight there. If I had a 20 pip stop, then we actually would have had this whole rise back again for another 50 plus pips, but that's okay. So let's just look at results here. So three positions, 77, 76 and 72 pips. A couple of short scalps as well just after the session break, and then my stop outs there. So overall, over 200 pips on that one trade south, and then obviously these shorter wins corrected any losses here. So excellent trade. 200 pips on one trade is always a great trade. Now this is a 15-minute chart, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 hours. So 200 pips in 2 hours, and according to the banker's strategy, you can see that we got the high of the day, and then we got this whole big move here. Okay, and that's what we want to get into profit quickly and look for those extended moves down, so we can make a lot of money in a short amount of time. So that was my trade of the week. More than 200 pips in 2 hours on 3 positions, and this is something that we look to do every day. It's not possible every single day, however we do have a lot of success because our timing is precise, and so we look for the setups that have the high percentage of probability. And if one of our setups doesn't work out, doesn't set up for us, then we can use another tool. So this wasn't my primary setup, but it was an extra setup that I was looking for, and because it eventuated, it gave me the opportunity to get in at a very, very low risk, and making sort of 6 or 7 to 1 reward to risk. So if you want to learn how to do this, jump onto our website, elitetradersuniversity.com. We have a number of courses there. You can see we have a new course, the London Banker's Strategy, which is what this trade is based upon. Or you can book a strategy call with us to talk about your trading and how we can help you. So click the link below, get in touch with us for a call, and hope to see you soon in the university.